curl. Jefferson curl, the intention of this is controlled spinal flexion, articulations, to create awareness, to create control, to create strength in a moving spine dynamic. Too often it's straight. Okay, so Jefferson curl, right? You're going to take some weight. We're going to start standing here. Keep that weight close to you. And I'm just going to pretend like I'm doing a toe touch with bent arms. Now you need a heavy enough weight that it helps pull you down into that position. Oftentimes you lean less than you think. Okay. And then I'm going to engage my core, tighten my abs, and round and pull back up. Reverse this, tuck chin, round out upper back, round out mid back, round out lower back, and then let everything just straighten out. Okay. As you get more comfortable on the ground, you can go between two boxes or on a box. And then next, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to round out. I typically don't recommend doing it on a bench because it's wobblier, right? And then this allows me to get the full Jefferson curl here where my hands can be below my feet if I have that flexibility. Now, a couple key elements. My knees do not need to be locked out, but I also am not trying to bend them. Okay, so it's really just like I'm just letting them unbuckle, and then I'm letting my spine round and lengthen at the bottom. And then coming up, I'm engaging from my midline, my core to help pull me up. It's not just back.